Now, Legal Brief with Bree, featuring attorneys from the Higgins Firm with answers and advice on legal matters.
Joining me today on The Brief is attorney Jim Higgins from the Higgins Law Firm. Jim, always great to have you here. Your firm handles a lot of workman's comp cases. Let's talk about an individual maybe that feels like maybe they were not properly compensated the first time. Can you reopen a case? Again, talk to us a little bit about that and the laws.
Right. Well, even if you don't feel like you're just compensated right, that's probably not grounds to reopen it. You know, once you've settled a case, you've generally settled a case. Now, I will tell you, work comp has a provision that in certain cases we can go back and reopen them. Now, that's changed a lot under the new work comp laws. It was totally revamped last year, but if you had an injury before 2014, June 2014, and you settled your case and you go back to work and you lose your job, a lot of times we can reopen those cases. And what has happened is the old work comp law used to have provision that encouraged employers to get someone back to work, and they'd say, hey, if you get this person back to work at the same job, at the same pay, then we're going to limit what you have to pay them for their injury. But if they lose that job within so many years, it could be anywhere from 4 years to 8 years, then they can reopen their case and get the full value.
Okay, so some of the incidents then would be if you've actually lost a job. You know, take us through again some of those next steps and when someone should actually contact your office then if they think that they need to do that again.
They can call us anytime, and I will tell you, hey, call us now because there are time limits. Tennessee has such tight time limits on everything, and so if you think you might be able to reopen your case, if you had a whole work comp case and you've lost your job, call me. We can tell you in just a few minutes whether you can or not, and if you can, we can help you with that.
Great, thank you so much. If you would like to contact the Higgins Law Firm, you may do so by looking at the information on your screen.